Alright, looking to the second condition, that is line parallel to one plane and perpendicular to the another plane. So now let us take this is a line of A and B having a length of anything, that is 60 or 70 or 80. So now let us take the condition parallel to one plane and perpendicular to another plane. Right? Parallel to one plane. Now I have kept the line like this. So what you are looking at? Now line point A and B are equidistant to the vertical plane and different distances to the horizontal plane. So now as of nature, the line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. So now you are seeing the front view of this line directly on the vertical plane. And when you see from the top of this line, you can look only a single point, right? Only a single point. So now let us draw the orthographic projection of a line parallel to one plane and perpendicular to the another plane. So let us take this length of a line is 30 mm. So because of the space availability, I am taking it as length as 30 mm. So directly the length of a line is going to be appeared on the vertical plane with the length of 30. So now I will put a point here. This is A dash and I will draw a line of 30 mm and I will put B dash. Okay, so now simply drawing two extension lines and I will draw a dimension line and I will mention the dimension of the line is 30. And now looking from the top view, I will look it as a single point. So simply just you extend it, whatever the distance between the front view, whatever the distance between the line and the vertical plane is there. Let us take 20 mm is the distance between this line is in front of 20 mm of the VP. Then I will take 20 mm here from the XY and I will put a point. And here I have to mention what are the names of these lines. Let us take this is A and this is B, such that A front view comes here and B front view comes here, A dash and B dash. When you are seeing from the top, you are looking only point B here and A is coinciding by B. So you can write it as the visible point as B and the second one is A, B comma A. Then just you extend it and name the dimension as 20. So this is the one condition where the line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. So now I will rotate the line here like this. So you can have a look. That is, now the line is perpendicular to the vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane because the distance between the point and the horizontal plane, second point and the horizontal plane is same, such that this line is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane, right, like this. Okay, then now in which view you have to concentrate, in which view you can observe the true length of the line, in which view you can observe the true length of a line. Now you are seeing from the front, so you will look at only one single point, right? The length of a line is 30, you cannot see in the front view, so that when you look at the top, from the top position, then you can observe the full length of the line, such that the top view is going to draw first in case of the orthographic projection. So now I will write down this point is A and this point is B. Now simply I will take this is A and this is B. Okay, this is the top view where the length of line is, that is 30, and front view is looking like a single point. Simply I extend it and I will put a point here, and which point is seen? This is A and this is B. Now B dash comma A dash. Why B dash comma A dash? Because we are representing in the front view. So simply B dash comma A dash. Right? So this is how to draw the orthographic projection of the line perpendicular to the horizontal plane and parallel to the vertical plane. And this is the orthographic projection of a line perpendicular to the vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. So now this condition is over. So let us come to the third condition, that is line parallel to one plane and inclined to the another plane. So right, let me go to the another one. Right. So now also I will come back. So now this is the line which is parallel to both the planes. Now I will hold this particular one and I will try to rotate this one. Now what happens? Now point A and B are equidistant to the vertical plane, and A is some distance above the horizontal plane and B is another distance above the horizontal plane, another distance or dimension, whatever it is. Now these 2 points A and B are not matching equidistances, not at equidistances with respect to the horizontal plane, so that we can say this line is inclined to the horizontal plane. So how to draw this inclination to the horizontal plane, right? Then you can see what is the front view here. You can see the front view as it has same like this only. Okay. So right, I will draw once again XY line. Right. So now the line is like this. I will put a line which is inclined. A point is here. Let me take A point is here, and I will draw a line here. Right. So now this one is A dash and this one is B dash. Okay. Then when you are seeing from the top of the line, simply you draw the two projectors from the front view. Two projectors straight. Okay, straight from the front view. Then you draw a line with A comma B. So this is the point, and these are the conditions. So additional conditions when problems comes. A point is above the horizontal plane. 10 mm. Suppose if I give here 10 mm. So the point A is 10 mm above the horizontal plane and it is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal plane. Means simply you draw a line parallel to XY and make an inclination of 30 degrees, and the length of the line, let us take this is 70. So this 70, and you draw the projectors and draw the top view. So now this is the how this plane is inclined to horizontal plane and vertical plane. So now this is once again come back. This is the line parallel to both the planes. So now I will keep hold of this point A, this one, and I will rotate in front direction. So now you can see this point and this point are not equidistances with respect to the vertical plane. So whenever these 2 points, end points of the line is not at equidistances with respect to any plane, that line is inclined to that particular plane. So now in which view you can see the original length of this line? So from front view, if you see the front view, the line is inclined. So the view appeared on the vertical plane is decreased. So in which plane you can observe? So from the top view, if you observe this line, this is parallel to HP. This is parallel to HP and inclined to VP, such that you can observe the original length of a line in the top view. So I will show you how. So I will extend this one. So now this is the way how this is inclined. So simply this is the line A and this is B, which is at 70, right? Like this. And what about the front view? You have to draw the projectors straight from the two end points. Okay, draw the projectors from the two end points and just simply draw a line. This is A dash and this is B dash. So whatever the conditions which are given with respect to this one, suppose if A point is 10 mm above the horizontal plane and B point is 50 mm above the horizontal plane, you can find out the inclination. Okay, and this line is in front of vertical plane like this. Suppose if this one point A is 20 mm below, simply you can write it here. This is 20 mm and it makes an angle of 45. So simply draw a line here parallel to XY and you make it 45 degrees such that it will be there. And draw the two projectors straightly and draw the horizontal line which is parallel to xy, then this will be the reduced length. And you have to find out one thing is here, when a line is inclined to the horizontal plane, when a line is inclined to the horizontal plane, the front view will be in the true length and the top view will be reduced. And then the view appearing on that particular plane will be reduced. So here is how to notice the third condition, that is a line parallel to one plane and inclined to the another plane. And coming to the last point, it is a little bit confusing, but there is no confusion if you go step by step. We will see it.